So we talked about solving, the two corner pieces, and we have two more corner pieces to work with, okay? So look for the corner, we have a corner piece for here. It's connected to red and green. We're gonna look for, okay, cool. We have a green face here, but on the side is orange, so green must be over here. So there's a red face and there's a green face right here. So how do we take care of that? Okay, so we're gonna bring the green face over here to match this whole face. So like we always mentioned before, it has to match the middle. Okay, so this green is in the correct place. We're gonna flip this all the way over, and then we're gonna, remember we wanna keep it there, so we're gonna move this out of the way because we're gonna wanna rotate this back, and then when we put it back, that corner piece stays there, okay? Oh, this will happen when you're moving stuff around, but it's super easy to bring it back. See, we had that solved already, but now it's not solved, we just have to bring it. There you go. Last piece, we need a blue and orange. Oh, look at that. We have white, blue, orange. Okay, cool. So this orange matches that orange middle part. And what we have to do is bring this white all the way up here. So what I have to do is I have to rotate this all the way to get up here, and you see how the blue and the oranges are matching. And then we want to keep this in place again. So we're gonna move it away while we flip this back. Oh shoot, sorry. There's one step I forgot. Dang it. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so we're back to here, and then we want to move this up here, so we're gonna flip this up, and then now we're gonna move away so that we can move this piece back because we need these two white ones, right? We move it back, we got those white pieces back here again, and we flip this over. Now we have one face solved. Okay, so that's the first part that you have to do when you solve a Rubik's Cube. The next part will be to solve the corner pieces right here, okay? What I try to do is since this face on the bottom on opposite of white is yellow, I want to avoid any piece that is yellow. So blue, yellow, no, we're gonna ignore that. Green, yellow, we're gonna ignore that. Oh, hey, green, red, cool. So we have a piece that we can play with right now. Okay, cool, thanks. And then now what I want to do is, if this is green right here on the bottom, I want to look for the green face right here. The green middle right here, right? Make sure it's facing your face. And then the green and red piece right here is going to be away from you. Away from your face. So this is facing your face and this is kind of on the other side. So green and red. Now you look for the green and red piece. Is it replacing this piece? No, because this is orange. So green, oh hey, green, red. So that means this piece right here is gonna replace this corner piece, okay? Remember to keep your first side on the top. And then because it's on this side, we're gonna turn it clockwise. Same with the bottom, you flip it just quickly up and you bring it back. Now counterclockwise, okay? I kind of want to do that again. Okay, so, and it's 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. So we have, now we need to bring this corner piece, and it'll always happen like that, where you will bring this side piece down, and you see that white piece? Bring it back over, and now flip it back. And there you have it. Remember when we wanted to put the red, green piece here? Just doing that will make that happen, okay? Now let's look at the next piece. We don't want to look at yellows. So green, yellow, ignore that. Green, orange, perfect, we can work with that. So we're gonna, because green is on the bottom here, we're gonna face green. My face is facing green, and this green on the bottom has to face away from your face, okay? Make sure it's away from your face. And then we have to note it's green and orange, so green and red, nope, green and orange is over here, so we want to replace this piece. Now I talked about like how when we want to replace that piece, it was clockwise, right? Now replacing this piece is going to be counterclockwise, so we're going to turn counterclockwise 1, 2, and then now we have to do it back clockwise now, 1, 2, so that was 4 counts, and 2 more to get this corner piece back up here. You're gonna flip this down, okay? You're gonna turn this back over to get the white back up here on that line, and then you're gonna flip it back. And we got that corner piece over there. Okay, and let's continue working on it. We have this blue yellow, we don't want that. Green yellow, we don't want that. All right, cool. Blue orange. So we're gonna face the middle part blue to your face, and this piece down here is gonna be away from your face. Okay, and this place blue orange is gonna replace this orange. So remember what I said. If it's on the right hand side, it's gonna be clockwise, and if blue red is on this side, we're gonna wanna turn it counterclockwise. So blue orange clockwise, so 4 counts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more counts to bring this white one down. 3 actually. 2, 3. Okay, you have this face back up, and guess what? We just replaced that corner piece. All right, let's do the last one. The last one is blue red. Blue red. Okay, so here's a blue piece right here. Make sure the blue faces your face, and this blue down here is going to face away from you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's how you solve two sides. Okay, all right. Let's stop this video and then